Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel, back with another plan with me. This week I'm going to be planning again in my Erin Condren because I really liked how last week turned out. If you didn't watch my previous plan with me, I used our brunch date kit and I kind of started off planning what I knew I had during the week, and then as the week went on I kind of memory planned and kind of went through what I had done, and this is kind of what I'm using this Erin Condren for this year, is more memory planning and something to, you know, really pretty up and something that I'll be able to look back on. So this week I did a poll on Instagram as to which kit I should use, and the Willow kit won. So I'm going to be using this one just with its gorgeous like magentas and really nice green. So this is the first functional sheet. You probably all know by now the layouts of our kits. Second functional sheet, really pretty full boxes and block headers to do boxes, sidebar and appointment labels, half boxes, quarter boxes, little things, and your really pretty bottom washi and washi strips, and your deco and date covers. If you hear little scratches, it's just the little kitten behind me. As usual, I'm going to go and pop the washi strips down first. There we go, that is all down, and you probably have seen Ziggy wandering in and out. He's in a very playful mood this morning. Okay, so for my date covers, I think I'll use these ones here, and I'm going to use some gold foil date dots, and these are available in our store at the moment. It's just these date dots in gold foil, also available in silver and rose gold. So I'm just going to go and pop those down and then pop the date covers on. Okay, those are the date covers, and then I think what I'm going to do for across the top is what I did last week and just put all of the today headers. I just really like how that looks, so I'm just going to go and do that. Okay, now for the sidebar, I think I'm going to bring in some gold foil headers this week. So let's grab some. These are from Jackson Pepper. So let's see which full box to pop up the top. I think I might use the quote box. So it says surround yourself with people who get it, and I really like that. So let's pop a gold foil header down first. And then next I want to put my two habit trackers down. So I'm going to track my water intake and my skincare. So let's get the daily habits header. Then I'm going to pop a washi strip. And I might use one of these. Let's use this one. And then for my weekly sidebar, I'm going to track my exercise because I'm back at the gym and a friend of mine is helping me, kind of teaching me how to do lots of different exercises, so I want to track what I do during the week. Then I'm going to grab another washi strip, and I think I might use the same pattern. And then what I'm going to do, I've got these gold foil weigh-in stickers from Arctic Paper Studios, so I'm just going to use one of those to track my weight. I've lost 30 kilos so far, which I'm not sure what that is in pounds if you're wondering, and I've just got another 10 to go, so I've got to stay on track with those goals. And then I'm just going to add another washi strip, I think. Yep, let's just pop that down the bottom. There we go, so that is the sidebar, and then let's just move on to the day by day. So Monday, our designer Hannah is back. She's been away on holiday and she just got engaged, which is very exciting. So I'm going to grab an appointment label, I think maybe this one. And I have these really cute computer desk icons from Tasseled Planner that I think I want to bring in. So I'm just going to use this pink one. Let's see how that looks. There. Yeah, that's really cute. So that is it. And then it's just another work day. So I think what I might do is put a full box in the middle. And I might use this one, I think, with the girl holding the flowers. And I'm going to pop a gold foil header above all of the full boxes this week. And most of the day is just work, so I'm going to get a half box. I might use this one. And I'm going to get a work script from Arctic Paper Studio and then one of our GP girls. So I'm going to put that here. And then one of these girls on her laptop. Like that. And then I'm going to pop a washi strip down just to cover that header. Might just use one of our block headers actually. Let's use the light pink one. And the other thing is that I'll be going to the gym, so let's grab a quarter box. Let's use just the marble one. And our GP girl. That. And then I'll just leave that blank for whatever else is happening that week or that day. So Tuesday is just really another work day. So what I might do is pop the full box up the top. And let's use maybe this one here. And then just a foil header underneath. Then what I'm going to do is do my normal kind of half box on a vertical like I do here and just do another work box. Let's use this one here. Like that, and I'm just going to pop a block header down. And I might leave the rest of that blank just to fill in later because I'm not too sure what else I have to do on Wednesday. On Tuesday. On Wednesday, my poor little niece has to have surgery, so I'm going to go to the hospital with my sister just to keep her company and help out any way I can. So what I might do is pop the full box at the bottom. I might use this one that says breathe because it seems like it's quite suitable. And then up the top here, I'm just going to use one of these like post-it note stickers, sticky note stickers, to pop here to say that she's having surgery. And I might just use one of these arrow stickers from my newest addiction, just to add in a bit of foil. And then I'm not too sure how long I'm going to be there or what else is happening, so I'm just going to put a block header over this one and then leave the rest of the day blank. Sorry if this is like boring because I'm not feeling that much in, but hopefully you guys are okay watching it. Okay, so that is Wednesday. On Thursday, someone else has to go for surgery. My poor little kitten Ziggy has to go get some surgery because his adult canines have grown in, but his baby ones haven't fallen out. So he's currently got like 2 canines on each side. So he has to get the baby ones taken out. So where we put the full box, I might put it in the middle. And let's use this girl here. Like that. Then I might grab a half box for the top. Let's use this one. And then I have our little GP cat girls that I'm going to use. I'm just going to grab maybe this one down here. Poor little guy. And just everything else that day is probably work to prepare for the new releases on Friday. So let's just grab a block header and then do my other half box script girl little setup. Let's use this half box here. Like that. Okay, Friday, let's put the full box up the top. I think I might use this one here. And then a gold foil header underneath. Like that. I have a hair appointment in the morning, so I'm going to grab a quarter box. Use this one here. And I have these hair appointment stickers from Arctic Paper Studio. I think are really cute. So we'll just put that here. And then we have new releases on Friday, so I'm actually going to pop that down the bottom with a half box. Let's use this one. I'm going to use one of our gold foil bows, the clear paper one. And also a laptop. I'll also have to film a new releases video, so let's grab a quarter box. And then from Tasseled Planner I have these film script stickers, so I'm just going to use that one there, and then I'm just going to leave the rest of that blank, just if there's anything else I need to do. Okay, Saturday, I'm just going to pop the weekend banner down the top. For the full boxes, I'm going to put one down the bottom here and one in the middle, so I'll just go ahead and do that. Let's use, I think I'll use these two. On the 26th, it's actually Australia Day, which is like our national holiday, so I'm going to use a quarter box. And just use one of these arrow stickers from my newest addiction. And then we are going to a friend's house for a barbecue. So I really want to use this other little post-it note. So I'm going to grab a header just to cover that one up. I might actually use a washi strip for that. I'm going to use this. And then from Paper Muse Crafts, I've got these little fork and knife icons with the bow, so I'm just going to use that. There. And then just leave that for anything else I have. Actually, one thing I do have is water the plants, so let's put that down so I don't forget. Okay, Sunday is actually a Sunday fun day. We've got a couple of things on that's really exciting. So the first thing is we have a Perth planner meetup, which is always really fun. So I might grab one of these appointment labels for that. And I have these stickers from Clever Gal Crafts, and I thought this colour matches really well, so I'm going to use a bow from that. Then I'm just going to cover this header up. And then that evening I'm going to the Mumford & Sons concert with my sister, which I'm really excited about. So I think I'm going to use maybe this half box here. And I think I might use this bow sticker from Scribble Prints Co. I think that might be quite nice. And just pop it down the bottom like that, and then I'll just leave that blank for anything else that is happening. Okay, I always cause such a mess when I'm planning. I think that's looking really pretty. The only other thing, I have these corner stickers, like clear stickers from Scribble Prints that I think I might use on a couple of the full boxes. I think on this one and maybe this one. So for this I might use these two kind of polka dot ones. And then for this I might use that one and this one. There we go, and I really like that, just adds that little bit extra. Okay, now I might grab my deco and just pop it along the top as usual. And I think that is the finished product. I really like how this turned out. I just love these colours. Let me know what you think, and until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye!